Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to harvest pumpkin flowers. They're delicious. I love to fry them up. I put them in some egg and some flour and put a little bit of oil. They're not healthy, no, but they're delicious. They're kind of like a soft chip. That's the only thing I can explain. So I'm going to harvest these. You just have to look because there are female and male flowers. So this is a male. It does not have a fruit here. So I just pinch it and I save it. You don't want to take off the female flowers because that's where you get your pumpkins. This right here is a female flower, as you can see. You take this piece off. Let me show you if I can. So yeah, you pop that off and you clean it real good with water, and then you just dip it in egg, dip it in flour, and you fry it. I put them in the refrigerator on a paper towel in a container until I have enough for my family. I do have some helpers. They love to help. Filling up their baskets. Good job, guys.
I only got 2.
That's okay. We can harvest some zucchini flowers. Zucchini flowers are edible too. Here's another one. Here you go.